In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on security and privacy. Then click on face recognition. Enter your current login method and tap on this icon next to enable pickup to wake to turn off or on this option. Then hit get started. Select agree in the pop-up. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!